Good morning, my dear student friends. Let us we move to have a discussion about the second poem, If, written by Rudyard Kipling. If is an interesting and a meaningful poem taken from the collection Rewards and Fairies. This poem has advisory, caring, and didactic qualities. In this poem, the speaker is a father who gives the most valuable advices to his son. And also, he tells the readers about the true success of human life. So, this poem has all virtuous qualities for a man to attain the step of achievement and accomplishment. In the beginning of this poem, the poet tells us to keep ourselves calm and all the people around are angry and should not lose our temper. Because losing temper doesn't solve our problem. If we think patiently, we can find a solution to the problem. He says that keeping faith or confidence in oneself, one can understand the problems and situation of others too. And this faith and patience helps to solve many problems. The poet encourages us to work hard for true success and advises us to be truthful, not to be false. Gradually, the poet teaches us to hate none and love all. According to him, man is neither perfect nor imperfect, neither strong nor weak. Therefore, he tells us not to be too good and not to talk too wisely. He says that one should have dreams but not to be slaves of our dreams. Because dreams should be able to lead man to the heights of life through realization. According to him, life is an experience of failure, life is an experience of joy, life is an experience of sorrow, life is an experience of both good times and bad times. According to the poet, both the triumph and disasters are the cheaters. Hence, one should not overjoy on success and not to be dejected on failure. Indeed, failure and success are not permanent to anybody in life. In the words of the poet, the man is a social being. He should know what is life. Life is a game of chance. We may lose or we may gain, but should not lose confidence and mental health. Man should be away from discrimination between rich and poor, between king and common people, because the real personality of a good person will be reflected his sense of equality, sense of love, sense of affection, and other emotional qualities. At the end of the poem, the poet warns us to respect and use the precious time to make our short life very meaningful and very sweet. Thus, the poem If is a message to the human beings to be good, to do good, to act justly, and live beautifully in this beautiful world. Thank you.